Okay,
Dude,
so
oh
I'm
my
I'm
god.
on. I guess I'm hosting.
Okay, what the fuck is the internet fucking doing?
If I'm just waiting for David, this is gonna be a long ass video. Look at that.
Oh, we got
All
everyone
right.
in? Oh, don't
All
skip the
right,
cutscene. Do
we're
not skip
in,
the
boys.
cutscene.
And nobody talked during the
You
cutscene.
can jerk off though. That is the one thing you can do.
I got a little machine under the desk milking me.
So once you get to the end of the stuff in the laptop, press E.
Okay, back in the helicopter. Definitely the first time I've ever played this game, and I definitely did not lose like an hour of footage.
Is that Kelvin? Did Kelvin die? I think it was honestly because I threw a grenade.
You did not just let Kelvin die. What? I'm
You're right.
Not to brag, but me and Nate's house is looking pretty good.
Sounds good. Let's throw this shit.
So this place
There
is
we
not
go.
big enough for the both of us, dude.
This
You can
town
I
ain't
think
big
it's
enough
just
for the
enough.
both of us.
Just enough for me and you.
Tim, come look at how the foundation of my house is going so far.
I don't care.
Let me let me take a look at it. God damn it! Can I get up? Oh, this is looking pretty good.
Thanks, Jack.
Shit.
Jack!
What?
Jack! You just fucking ruined my whole house.
He
No.
ain't hurt nobody.
What is this night V thing? What does this do?
you're holding
you
it,
just
go
chill
ahead.
out,
Oh
dude.
shit! Oh damn!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Dude, you look so ugly riding that. Jack, let me ride it. Let me show you.
I lost it in the water. Oh shit!
Do that again and I fucking murder you.
I didn't
That
realize-
is the third tree that's fallen on my shit.
Tim,
It took out an entire fucking
Tim,
section.
I did not realize that tree was that long. What else we building, dude?
I don't know how to build, dude. How to build the floor?
I don't have a
Dungeon.
floor. We have
I'm
a
trying to. What do I click?
We have a fucking.
What is that? What is
Oh,
Nate, Nate.
that?
watch this. I'm gonna build something. I don't know what I'm building exactly. But...
Nate, you
It's so
got
carnival. I'm supposed to do it.
Alright, guys, we might actually have to make a bed because I cannot see shit.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm about
No.
to die, dude.
Jack, how are you?
Would you?
gonna die?
Fuck up.
He threw a log at me.
I didn't throw shit at you, blood. Here, Jack. Come here. I got pills for you. I got the perks.
Together a little
What is this,
hunting
2?
shelter.
Oh no, I just. Sorry.
Bro, really?
Kind of.
Man,
Wait, don't you just hold on?
Hey,
Oh
okay.
yeah.
저기 한정과 신가요, 빙치. Jack, I think I just threw you some pills.
Fucking stupid ass motherfucker.
Oh my god, why did you
Fuck outta
hit me?
I don't know. It's a misinput.
Give me my pills
What
back,
are you
Jack.
doing? Nah, fuck you. I fucking crashed. God damn.
One day later.
God damn. It's
Hang
like a
on a
horror
second.
game, dude.
Beep-a-ba-ba-ba-ba.
Dave's house is not bad looking.
It looks like shit. Dude, you could build with rocks and shit. Yeah. Yeah, they just added that today.
What's up, Jan Dango? I found the coordinate.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff that I've never collected here because I went right past it.
I think it's just shit that refreshed. Cause I collected all of this and it's back somehow.
Here, let me help you with this.
Everybody watch out!
Timber!
Oh,
Oh my god!
God damn it.
Hey, Gav, look at this.
Hey.
Hey, Gav, check this out.
Where you at?
Behind.
You threw it at me, you fucking asshole.
Hey, dick. Oh, dude, what the fuck?
I was gonna hit you.
Dude, I'm gonna
Oh.
shank your ass.
Oh! God, I'm dead.
You fucking idiot.
What the fuck happened?
He knocked down the shelter.
Dude, I'm almost dead. I need something to eat.
Yeah, I need some of this stuff to eat too. What is this deer doing? Let me just drop it
Dude,
down.
I've got shit on the fire here. Hold on, don't eat it yet.
He's not on my.
Oh my god, I'm on fire. He knocked
I
me
just
down.
saw him run up behind you and kick you over.
Tim, did you
There's
did you eat pills, dude?
Oh fuck, hold on.
There's 3 on the fire. There's one for
No, I
me.
just healed myself with the food thing.
Gavin, Jack, come get your food.
Did
Oh,
you guys
Good God!
Ow, what the fuck? No, please stop.
Why are you guys?
Come here, bitch! Oh my god, he's chasing me!
I'm gonna break your skull with a
You
boulder.
guys show me where your house is? I can fuck up a rabbit if you know what I'm saying.
I can fuck a rabbit.
Calvin, what the hell are you doing, buddy?
Get you some.
Jack, this looks like
Tim,
shit.
hold on. Why
Just
can't I
tried
place
her.
this over
Had a
here like I
boil.
did over here?
I need water too. Where do I?
Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
Whoa, 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 whoa! What the fuck just happened to me?
I just got thrown off the roof. Is there anything called rock storage?
Did you ask if there's a thing called rock storage?
Yes.
I get done running and I go.
Hey,
I
Gavin.
get done running.
It always gives me a hard on. All right, guys, I'm hopping off.
Alright.
Good night.
Yeah.
And then we never saw him again. Not for the next 3 months.
Wait, hold on. Is there a rock sled or some shit?
No, I asked him if there was that and he said no,
Oh,
so.
no. Advanced log sleds can now carry sticks, bones, rocks.
Oh, let's make one of those. They're really expensive though.
Who's going?
Alright, there it is. Who broke the goddamn fire?
I took it from 40 sticks down to 80. No, okay, wow. 40 sticks down to 13. Where did I get 80 from?
We're gonna need that fucking advanced logs like this. Goddamn, carrying rocks is a chore.
So many sticks are needed for this damn thing.
Yeah.
Why are you shooting at me?
Oh, ouch.
There
I'll
is
get
a
hit.
spear in your asshole. Here.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.
On the white Christmas. I'm high on
Oh shit. Dude, this thing boogies, dude.
Oh my god, he is moving. Dude, that shit is so retarded.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Holy
Dude, buddy just went flying. Dude, I am out of here.
Where are you? Oh, dude, he is out of here, bro. My God. Whoa. Whoa.
He joined right as we were hopping off.
Yeah, dude, we're
Are you
gone.
dead ass?
Dead ass.
Dude, I just got home from work. Oh my god, dude.
Is my food done in here? Oh, it just evaporated again. Okay, cool.
Did y'all do anything major while I was gone either?
Not really.
Just
Still
build a house, pretty
renovating.
much.
You just, all you guys did was build, you didn't go get anything?
Yes, dude, calm
Uh,
down. Jesus.
Oh,
Come
Tim,
on,
relax,
I'm
dude. Damn.
asking question.
Yeah, damn, Tim. Check out the house, Dave. Bet you're jealous.
One sec, I'm fixing my window that...
Oh god, the cannibals! Cannibals are attacking our shit!
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, yep, they are. There's a lot of
What
them.
the fuck
too.
you?
Oh, they're killing Kelvin!
No, Kelvin! Don't
What
hit
the
Kelvin.
fuck? You one-tapped me.
We should burn their bodies, actually. Get some bones, put them up in the bone storage. Just shot him right in the asshole.
You child.
Interesting.
Oh my god, I'm zooming.
Nate,
Oh god.
Nate, I have a question.
Damn. Oh,
Hey guys, I'm coming in hot.
Whoa! we're having fun here.
I just ran right into Virginia.
Well,
Oh, I wish I
thought
could
those
run
was
into that.
Holy
I'm a
shit! Oh my
too much,
god.
too
Nate, where you going?
I'm
Nate, let me on. See if we can both go.
Jimmy's got a smile. Holy
You fucking no!
come on, dude.
Dave, we gotta catch him.
No!
a tumor, I'm a tumor, I'm a tumor.
Oh god! Oh god!
I gotta eat a granola bar.
Get me out of here! Oh god! Holy shit! I'm
just
fucking
hit
out of
Nate,
here!
I'm sorry. Oh, I think he's still stuck under Dave.
Oh god, brother!
Oh my god.
Going at it.
No,
God.
he's fucking dead. Get the. Oh god! Oh my god!
Come on, man. Alright, I'm rampaging his house.
Bro, I thought we were just fighting.
No, I fucking told Jack to come get that arrow out of me.
Oh.
Oh, wait, where is it?
Hold on,
Oh,
there's an
there
arrow
it
on
is.
your shit.
Heck.
I was just getting an arrow out of your foot. Oh!
What are you doing? Whoa, what the fuck? I just got back.
Hang
Are
on.
you fucking serious?
Wait, what the fuck?